Import the design to your canvas. Make sure the design covers the whole area of your t-shirt. Merge layers. Change the blending mode to multiply. Add a layer mask and then turn off the design layer and make a selection of your t-shirt. Turn on the design layer and start painting with black on a layer mask. If you paint with a white brush, you reveal or unmask the corresponding area, making it visible. This allows you to selectively reveal parts of a layer that were previously hidden with a black brush. Add levels to adjust the shadows and highlights.